Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I did this album cover. First I erased the image out with the airbrush on the eraser, and then I added a heart, and then I added some burgundy strands with the airbrush, and then I kind of airbrushed on some light blue coloring and smudged it until it looked, kind of realistic. Using the airbrush tool and the smudge tool on airbrush is a good way to make some good effects. And then just keep going darker and darker, and then when you see some highlights that need to be there, just pop in some highlights. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention, standard album cover size is usually 3000 by 3000 pixels, set at 300 dpi. Anytime you're using a certain brush, if you want to blend that brush, use the same brush for the smudge tool or the same brush for the erase tool that you use for the brush settings. And I'm just going to keep putting more and more blue with the airbrush on there, kind of add some highlights with it. I did the eyes, and when the eyes, I turned the blur on, kind of duplicate and duplicate and merge the eyes, and it'll create like a glow effect. And for behind it, well, I just used the luminescent brush for the same color, and it's like a cool glow behind it. And just keep on adding more and more airbrush. And I'm gonna just keep adding things in the face. The whole time I use the airbrush, guys. If you got any questions, drop them down below. And that's pretty much it. Just add in a good background, a little glare, pop in some font, and there we go. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure you hit subscribe.